North Korea proclaims itself a nuclear power. It claims to have made significant progress towards fulfilling its nuclear ambitions, in particular towards the development of an intercontinental ballistic missile with a nuclear capacity capable of reaching the United States. Pyongyang is widely believed to already possess enough fissile material for more than a dozen nuclear weapons. It's carried out several increasingly powerful nuclear tests since 2006. In September 2016, North Korea claimed it had carried out a nuclear test using a miniaturized warhead small enough to fit into a missile. In 1984, it tested a type of Soviet Scud B with a 300-kilometer range. It later built the Rodong-1 with a range of up to 1,300 kilometers, and then in 1998, its Type Podong-1 missile flew over Japan, landing in the Pacific Ocean. Having observed a moratorium for more than 5 years, Pyongyang carried out several failed long-range missile tests in 2006, including launching a Type Podong-2 believed to be capable of reaching Alaska. After further unsuccessful tests, in December 2012, North Korea successfully fired an Unha-3 rocket with a range of 6,000 to 9,000 kilometers to put a satellite in orbit. In January 2016, North Korea claimed to have tested a hydrogen bomb. This was followed a month later by the launch of another satellite using a long-range rocket condemned as a covert ballistic missile test.